So I'm here at the Ugur rug cleaning factory. Very large facility. I was here 6 years ago and this is what I remember, the beautiful floor. The entire floor is just beautiful. What's sad is that almost all the rugs that they're washing here, almost all of them are machine made. There are some handmade rugs, a few. But just the vast majority are machine-made rugs. See that? It's sad because the handmade rug industry in Turkey, once upon a time, was world renowned. Look at that floor. Just love it. All the machines are Turkish. Good morning. Hello. This is their duster for removing the dry dirt, the dry soil. Soaking pits. They have a rug that's contaminated with urine. They can submerge the rugs. Big wash floor. And their acetic acid. Centrifuges. It's a great facility. Again, just a shame that everything that they're doing now is, almost everything, is on machine-made rugs. Then over here they have a lift to bring the rugs up into their drying room. They also have a drying area here. And some of the rugs will be dried outdoors. Love visiting here. Love Turkey.